Hello everyone, welcome back to Defense Update HQ. Today's update brings some of the most intense developments from the Ukraine-Russia war, and the last 24 hours have been extremely critical on multiple fronts. Both sides carried out major strikes, new satellite images have surfaced, and frontline activity has completely shifted the momentum of the conflict. Let's break down everything you need to know. In the eastern region, Ukraine launched a surprise drone operation targeting a Russian logistics hub located several kilometers behind the front line. According to early information, more than 20 long-range drones were used in the attack, and at least 6 direct hits were confirmed on fuel depots, ammunition storage, and military trucks. The fire resulting from the strike burned for hours and thick smoke could be seen rising into the sky. Russian channels claimed they attempted to intercept the drones, but eyewitness videos strongly suggest that most of the attack went through without being stopped. Analysts believe this strike could disrupt Russia's supply lines in the area for several days. Meanwhile, Russia conducted a heavy missile barrage overnight, firing a combination of cruise missiles, ballistic missiles, and Shahed drones toward Ukrainian cities. Air defense units worked non-stop, and Ukraine reports intercepting the majority of incoming threats. However, several impacts were recorded, causing damage to infrastructure and creating large explosions across multiple districts. Emergency teams were deployed immediately, and repairs are already underway. This latest barrage shows that Russia is continuing to pressure Ukraine's major urban centers, especially as winter conditions make electricity and heating even more essential. On the southern front, Ukrainian forces carried out targeted operations along the river line, making small but effective advances. These moves may look minor on the map, but military experts say they are strategically important because they help Ukraine push back Russian artillery positions that have been shelling civilian areas for weeks. Ukrainian special units also destroyed several Russian armored vehicles using precision-guided weapons. Videos released from the area show burning tanks, destroyed trenches, and Russian troops retreating from their positions. Another major development came from newly released satellite images showing a massive explosion at a Russian Black Sea facility. The blast appears to have destroyed fuel storage tanks and heavily damaged a nearby port structure. The exact cause has not been confirmed, but analysts point to a possible long-range missile strike or a coordinated drone attack. This location plays a critical role in supplying Russian naval operations, meaning the impact could be much bigger in the coming days. Internationally, several European countries announced new defense support packages for Ukraine. These include artillery shells, armored vehicles, and advanced air defense components. The goal is to strengthen Ukraine's capability during the winter season when Russia traditionally increases missile strikes against energy infrastructure. Ukraine has also been testing its own domestically produced long-range drones, and officials claim these new models can hit targets far deeper inside Russian territory than before. If this is true, the battlefield dynamic could shift significantly. On the Russian side, troop reinforcements have been spotted moving toward key conflict zones. This suggests that Russia is preparing for continued fighting rather than slowing down. Both armies are dealing with harsh winter conditions, making mobility, supply, and communication more difficult. Despite this, the battle intensity is increasing rather than decreasing. As the situation evolves, one thing is clear: neither side is willing to step back. The war continues to escalate with every passing day, and the next 48 hours could bring even more dramatic updates. Stay connected with Defense Update HQ for real-time news, satellite image breakdowns, and in-depth analysis of every major event. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an important update.